Hi guys, welcome back to my DIY channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I made this circle top. It's elasticated and it also has some elasticated straps. So this is my fabric. I needed about 2 meters of fabric for this DIY. And then I folded the fabric in half. Then I also took one corner and then I dragged it to the edge, which was folded. So that is the shape that I had, and then I took my tape measure and then I started to draw 1 inch from that top corner, just going around in a curve like that. And then I cut that away. I wanted the top to be about 21 inches, and then I also added about 2 inches for the seam allowance at the bottom for hemming, and also for the top part where I was going to put the elastic. So automatically the top part is going to be so wide and big, more than like your own upper bust circumference. And then I turned my fabric inside out, and then I pinned on that one edge that I have. So this top will only have one seam at the back. Then I pinned it and then I sewed it on the sewing machine. And then I now started to pleat. So I had measured my upper bust circumference before, and then I added about 4 inches extra, and then I started to pleat. I made a pleat at the front, at the sides, and also at the back. So when I measure it, it's my upper bust measurement plus an extra 4 inches, because I just wanted it to be quite loose fitting, not too tight, and also to give the elastic some stretch. Then I went on to sew the pleats down. After sewing the pleats, I removed my pins, and then I took my iron and then I started to fold in about 1 centimeter going down, and I was just folding the edges inside. After that, I now took my elastic and then I joined the elastic. So this elastic is the same measurement of my upper bust circumference. Then I took the elastic and then I started to put it on the inside. Then I started to pin the elastic to the top part of the circle top. Then I went on to stitch. So at that point, most of the circle top was basically done. So to prepare my straps, I did try on the top and then I measured how long my straps are going to be, and then I multiplied that by 2 to get the length of the fabric. And as for the width, I just went with 3 inches. So what I would do is I would fold that strip in half like that, and then I would stitch on the edge. I did this for both strips. Then I took 2 pieces of elastic, which was about half of the strips, which was actually the size of my straps that I actually wanted, and then I would insert the elastic. So when I insert the elastic, the size of the strip is immediately divided by 2. So there are my 2 straps. Then I took a chalk and I marked where I was going to attach the straps. And then I went on to sew them on the sewing machine. And the last step, of course, was to hem the bottom, and that was all. Drop them in the comment section below. Bye.